Hello guys, I hope now I am audible to you and visible to you. So there is some issue with my mobile phone and the system also. So that's why there is a delay today. Just a moment. Okay. So guys, the comment, am I audible to you? Is everything is fine from my side? Thank you. Okay. Good evening. Thank you. So today we are going to deal with AC analysis. Okay. So let's start. So let me give you my introduction. This is Bhima Sankar. I did my MTech from IIT Kanpur. I have 10 years of teaching experience in GATE and ESC throughout the country. I'm expertise with the subjects of digital circuits, network analysis, and microprocessors. In the last 10 years, I taught to several thousands of students like you people throughout the country. With my experience, I'll be able to guide you today to give my best. Okay, like every single day. Today we will be discussing the problems of AC analysis. That is all the topics mixed. It can be phasor diagrams, it can be resonance, magnetic coupled circuits. It can come from any topic of the related to the AC. So let me give you some inputs regarding Unacademy Plus subscription. If you want to take Unacademy Plus subscription, uh, you have you will be getting a complete structured package if you take the Unacademy Plus subscription. Here you will be getting the classes by top educators, where you will be getting what we call live classes and you can watch it recorded any number of times. इसके अलावा आपको ये भी मिलेगा test series, and also you will be getting regular doubt solving sessions. After every 3 sessions in the plus, you will be having one dedicated doubt solving session. So the plus classes will be definitely more and more interactive. And after completion of the total course, you will be getting the revision badges, what we call problem solving badges, and many. So if you want to go for iconic, you will be getting a personal digital coach, study planner, and also preparatory material. So, and you'll be getting a personalized performance analysis with the help of personal digital coach assigned to you. So, those are the features of Unacademy Plus and Iconic, and these are the prices. You can use my code. You will get 10% discount on Unacademy Plus subscription. These are the prices for 1 year, 18 months, and 2 years after the discount. And this is the price for Iconic after the 10% discount using the code. Presently, there is an offer running on. If you take 12 months subscription, you will be getting 4 months for free. And if you take 24 months, you will be getting 4 months for free. And if you take 12 months, you will be getting 3 months for free. Chalo. Now, let's start the questions. Just a moment. examiner has given that ammeter reading is equal to 10 amperes. You need to find V1, VR, VL and VC values from the available options given by the examiner. Okay. Okay, small modification. Uh, this is J6. Right. Now you can do this question. Chalo. I hope you can do this question. रोहित थोड़ा सा एडजस्ट कर लो, मेरा माइक का इश्यू है, ठीक है. So time हो रहा है भाई. What is the right answer? Option D. चलो, let me show you. Here, what is your VR? It will be 3 into 10, 30. VL equal to 6 into 10, 60. VC कितना होता है सर? 2 into 10, 20. पोलैरिटी में भी -J20 plus J60 वो का है, ठीक है, मैग्नीट्यूड्स बोल रहा हूँ मैं. Then what is your V1? It is root of VR square plus VL minus VC whole square. That will be VR square is 30 square, 16 minus 20 whole square. ठीक है. सो आपका V1 50 होना चाहिए, VR 30, VL 60, VC 20. So what are the options which are correct? A will be 4 and B will be 3, C will be 4, 3. Original answer is 1, 2. नहीं है तो 2, 1 चाहिए तो ये उल्टा करो. I'm sorry, this is the right answer. 4, 3, 1. ठीक है. 4, 3, 1, 2. VL 60, VC 20. Correct. चलो, let's move. This is a very simple, good, straight away question. I think you people can do it easily. 30 second time दे रहा हूँ. चलो, बताओ क्या आंसर. You can tell me the answer. Okay, take your time. Already right answer तो मिला 15 seconds के कम टाइम पे. Very good. नरेश and मंगलेंद्र सही है. Okay, चलो. Okay, good, good, good. So what is the phase formula? Phi equal to tan inverse of, what is the original formula will be from the phasor diagrams? It will be VL minus VC by VR मिलेगा आपको, ठीक है? That is XL minus, आप करंट I कॉमन ले लिया तो tan inverse of XL minus XC or XC minus XL. That's ठीक है. This is generally XL, XC can be also more than XC, XL that can be also possible depending on the frequency of operation. आप लोग इसका आंसर दे दो. From the concept of filters. Okay. Devansh, I can say it's good enough, but I cannot say whether the VLSA in IIT Mumbai is good enough or not. You will get some IIT का VLSA तो मिलेगा बिल्कुल 100%. Maybe you may get IISc also. Okay, don't worry. You will get some good IIT version. Right. Chalo. Now see, generally the sharp response is possible for digital. Of course, in digital also it is absorb. It is what we need, but it is not the exact what we will get. And this is what you will get for passive. Okay, the response of the active filter and passive filter. Passive to gradually ये होता है generally, and this में it will be digital में it will be. So first डिजिटल का बोला, डिजिटल का शार्प होता है, इसका ग्रेजुअल, ठीक है? राइट, ओरिजिनली स्पीकिंग डिजिटल का भी ऐसा होता है, ठीक है? बट अकॉर्डिंग टू द ऑप्शंस यू कैन सेलेक्ट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन फॉर यू. प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन एग्जैक्टली बोलेंगे तो डी भी सही है, बट टू सैटिस्फाई द एग्जामिनर वी मे गो फॉर दिस. दैट इज व्हाट आई टोल्ड. So try the question. Option C. Sure. See here, in the RL circuit, what is the transient precondition? बस ये बताओ यार, आप लोग ने transient precondition omega t plus phi at the time t equal to t naught must be equal to tan inverse omega L by R. This is the condition for transient precondition. So if the switch A is closed at a proper instant, then there will be no transient. ये तो सही है. अगर switch is closed at time t equal to t naught, then there is no transient. Next, The instant at which k is closed such that the transient is zero depends on the frequency. Yes, omega पे depend हो रहा है या not depend हो रहा है? Yes, it is depending on omega. Next, the instant at which clear closed transient zero depends on circuit elements. Yes, it is depending on L and R values. There will be always non-zero transient after switch closes. It is not correct. हमेशा transient तो नहीं मिलते हैं भाई, depending on the switching instant. Always गलत है. Depends on the switching instant. So इसमें originally speaking, here he is asking. Originally speaking, 1, 2, 3 are correct. Right? Perfectly correct. K closes such that the transient is zero. Depends definitely depending on the frequency. 1 and 2 100% correct. So okay. Circuit elements may be depend होता है ना. So 1, 2, 3 undoubtedly correct. This is one of the question in IAS exam given. Okay, that's why I have taken this. But all 1, 2, 3 are correct. Right? चलो. Right. Next. Try this question here. ये वाला तो try करो. Time up. Very good, very good. Option C. Okay. For an AC circuit, the voltage V कितना दोनों साइन दिया ना, V का फेजर कितना 160 एंगल 10 degrees. RMS ले लो भाई 160 by root 2. करंट कितना भाई 5 by root 2 एंगल -20 degrees. आपका फाई कितना 30 degrees. Now examiner का क्वेश्चन क्या आता है? Reactive power Q. Direct formula VRMS IRMS sin phi. That will be VRMS is 60 by root 2 5 by root 2 sin 30 degrees. So that will give you Q equal to कितना मिलता है भाई 800 by 2 sin 30 कितना 1 by 2 800 by 4 200 volt ampere दिया. Okay, चलो. So that is about your question. Most of you right. Option C तो right Satish and Goyal. Ashish, I cannot say that in a single line generally. ठीक है. इंटरव्यू का जनरली कुछ प्रिपरेशन नहीं होता है, बट इंटरव्यू गाइडेंस का सेशंस वी विल बी ब्रिंगिंग यू सून. डोंट वरी. ओके. प्रिपरेशन के लिए जस्ट थोड़ा सा कॉमन जनरल अवेयरनेस भी इंप्रूव कर लो इनिशियली. We will discuss it later. Separate sessions we will take. Okay. Find the value of L for R is equal to 100. This is the question. मेरा वॉल्यूम कम है बिकॉज मेरा माइक का थोड़ा सा इश्यू है भाई, इसलिए टुमारो ऑनवर्ड्स आई यूज सेपरेट माइक. आज थोड़ा सा एडजस्ट कर लो. ओके, आज के लिए थोड़ा सा एडजस्ट कर लो, कल से मैं मैनेज नया माइक लाता हूँ. ठीक है, कल क्लास में हुआ ना प्रॉब्लम, दैट इज द रीजन. One more thing, tomorrow mostly I am planning to start digital circuits ka questions. Okay, let's see. Right, listen to me. Here, examiner has given R equal to 100. Firstly, what is Vs? It is root of Vr square plus Vl square. Okay, so that is given by 300. Sorry, 250. 150 square. So इससे आप Vr निकालो, कितना मिल जाएगा? कैलकुलेशन करना गाइस, अगर किया तो बताओ यार. कैलकुलेशन Vr का वैल्यू कितना आया आपको? 250 स्क्वायर माइनस 150 स्क्वायर. तो 200 आया, बस हो गया. अगर ये वोल्टेज 200 है तो ये करंट 2 होता है, ये भी 2 होता है ना. सो I इंटू एक्सएल इक्वल टू 150. आपका एक्सएल कितना होता है सर? 150/2. एक्सएल इक्वल टू ओमेगा एल 150/2. एल इक्वल टू 150/2 इंटू ओमेगा कितना दिया एग्जामिनर? 300. That will give you 1/4, 0.2. Bus. From the given information Vs and V2, we obtained Vr. Then I obtained the current I. From that I can find the value of XL and L value. So let's move forward. Okay. Right. Next question. Kindly try. TSPSC. To be frank, I don't know much about it. नरेश, जनरली तुम एक कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव कोर्स तो कंपलसरी अटेंड करना चाहिए. इसके बाद दिस विल हेल्प यू कंपलसरी फॉर योर प्रैक्टिस. बट मेरा कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव जो मैंने गेट के लिए डिस्कस किया ना, इफ यू अटेंडेड दैट इज मोर देन इनफ. वंस यू कंप्लीट दैट, दिस इज फॉर योर प्रैक्टिस. वेरी गुड. सुडो इलेक्ट्रॉन. Good time. Right. For the network shown in the above figure, the value of C, the current I is in phase with the Vs. Okay, Vs and Is must be in phase. Okay, then I1 leads I2 by where omega equal to 2. Here question properly framed नहीं किया. Okay, example को क्या चाहिए? So C is such that properly framed का मतलब ठीक है. थोड़ा सा कंफ्यूज किया. C का वैल्यू ऐसा है such that the current I is in phase with the Vs. That is unity power factor के लिए जो वैल्यू चाहिए ना, that is the circuit resonance condition पे है. ठीक है, कोई दिक्कत नहीं. Okay, then what is the question is? I1 leads I2 by how much angle? To observe here, if you take this as अगर ये आपका पैरेलल पे वोल्टेज क्या होता है सर? सेम. ये भी सेम. And he told omega equal to 2 radians per second. Inductor will be replaced with j omega L. So please listen carefully. Parallel पे voltage same. So let's assume what is I1 Vs by 1 by j omega c. That is Vs into omega c in angle 90 degrees. What is the current I2? Vs by 2 plus j2. This model gives many times in your exams. Vs by 2 root 2 angle minus 45 degrees. यही तक सही सभी को क्लियर है ना? I1 का I2 वैल्यूज आप ऑब्जर्व करो. The angle here is independent of value of C. So the first statement is of no use for us. जो C वैल्यू ऐसा सेलेक्ट किया such that it is in resonance. अगर आप इस पे ट्रैप में जाएंगे तो C वैल्यू निकलेगा. That will waste your time. So don't calculate the C value here. It is of no use. Omega तो आपको मदद करेगा, but C is of no use. You can substitute omega also, no problem. This is Vs. Next I1 and I2 is at an angle of minus 45. So you can see I1 I2 से कितना आगे जा रहा है भाई? 135 degrees. So the statement of the question, I1 leads I2 by 135 degrees. बस Vs is my reference. ठीक है, very good. Right, चलो let's move further. Next, read this. So it's a simple Laplace transform वाला क्वेश्चन to be frank. आप लोग तो ट्राई कर सकते हैं. नरेश माइक्रो प्रोसेसर के लिए तुम उसको मैसेज करो. आई विल गिव यू माय नोट्स फॉर यू फॉर फ्री. ठीक है, अगर प्लस पे है तो मेरा कोर्स इज अवेलेबल. प्लस पे नहीं है तो ठीक है, नो इश्यू. मैसेज मी इन एनी ऑफ माय ग्रुप्स. आई विल हेल्प यू विद सम मटेरियल. टेक्स्ट बुक फॉलो करना चाहिए तो रमेश गोइंग कर, बट ये तो बहुत लेंदी होता है. from तो दिया D and pseudo तो दिया A, कौन सा सही? Right. C already is okay. Right. So what is your V of S? I of S into एग्जामिनर को वोल्टेज अक्रॉस इंडक्टर चाहिए into SL. L वैल्यू तो 1 है ना, so S by S square plus what is that? Vs plus 2. Right. So here S by S square plus 2s plus 1 plus 1 लिख सकते हैं ना. So this will be S by S plus 1 whole square plus 1 square. That is your real numbers. ठीक है. So S by S plus A whole square plus B square. What is the inverse Laplace transform? E power minus AT cos BT U of t. Okay, सिंपल सी बात है. यही तो yes आएंगे तो जनरली sin may not be your answer, cos might be your answer. डायरेक्टली बोल सकते हैं, but चेक कर सकते हैं. Here, what is that? S by, then what is real of t? S by S plus A is equal to 1, B is also 1, so e power minus t sin t. Sure. Okay, let's move. Naresh, you can ask any of your friends, they will provide you. Chalo, let's move for the next. Is it clear, guys? Everybody, e power minus t sin t. कोई भी राइट आंसर नहीं दिया? क्यों कैनॉट बी, ये भी बोला. ऑप्शन बी, एक भी राइट आंसर नहीं क्यों दिया भाई? कुछ कंफ्यूज हुआ क्या? गोयल, ओके चलो. गिव इट ट्राई. नरेश दिया ये, बाकी लोग भी बताओ आपका आंसर. Option D, dear Rahul. 5 angle minus 45. Any other answers? Okay, chalo, listen. The phasor current through the inductor. So current in the inductor IL equal to total current, that is 10 angle 0 degrees. Okay. It may be RMS also, who knows? So let's take RMS because examiner asking the phasor na 10 by root 2 into opposite by total 2 plus J2. So 10 by root 2 into 2 by 2 root 2 angle 45 degrees. So it will be 5 angle minus 45 degrees. Okay, this is the right answer. ये भी possible है. If you take the maximum, examiner should not ask like this because technically speaking both are correct. But first preference RMS को देते. What we have taken is RMS. ठीक है. Technically speaking, some textbooks follow this notation, some follow this notation. Both are correct. Okay. If you take directly 10 angle 0 degrees and do the question. Okay, be careful. So let's move for the next, but preference to the other. So let's take a little more questions because I have started little late today. This is also one of the IAS paper ka question. IAS examination, civil services ka question. Earlier in civil service grades, they used to give one option, electrical engineering option paper is there. उस समय का question. Time up. For the given circuit omega equal to 3 radians, V is taken as the reference. Okay. The phasor of the current I given by. Fine. Listen. This is 4J. This is 3. Okay. Inductor of it must be 1 Henry. Okay. Then omega is how much? 3. Then it will be J3. Right? It is a printing mistake. And this is how much? 3. So here, what is the value you will be getting? It is 3 because parallel पे voltage same. Impedance is J omega L. Omega is 3 into L is 1. So here the current IL, what is IL? Is the voltage by impedance. That will give you 1 angle minus 90 degrees or minus J. Okay. Just a moment. right? So your IL equal to minus J3. What is your I? So minus J. What is I? I is equal to, just KCL, because you have both magnitude and phase, minus J1 plus 4J. That will be 3J, 3 angle 90 degrees. Here one important point, if XL equal to 1 ohm, if it is not a printing mistake, if examiner has given this value as 1 ohm, that is XL is given, because XL ka unit है ohms. If Henry is दिया तो ठीक है, because I don't know whether it is a printing mistake or not. Exam पे ohms आया तो XL equal to 1 लेके try करो. उस केस में क्या होता है सर? Current in the inductor will be 3 by J1, that will be minus J3. In that case, I equal to J4 minus J3, that is 1J, 1 angle 90 degrees. Okay, that in that case maybe A might be our answer depending on the question. If it is given as 1 Henry or 1 mho, we should change the solution. Okay, got my point? If it is originally, if it is not a printing mistake, 1 mho दिया तो इसका मतलब reactance is given by the examiner. Henry's दिया तो we should find the reactance and do the question, because omega is given by the examiner. चाहिए तो here you can find the capacitor value also, because the capacitor voltage and current you know, you can find its reactance by voltage by current ratio. ये तो आसान क्वेश्चन है, I think everybody can do it. 15 सेकंड टाइम देता हूँ, ट्राई करो. नहीं तो 10 सेकंड. ओके, ऑप्शन बी. चलो, what is that? AC sinusoidal series combination of resistor and capacitor. The RMS voltage of the resistor is 100. RMS of capacitor is 200. What is the voltage? 100 square plus 200 square. So what do you get here? Read this. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. ये तो भी कॉन्सेप्चुअल है, मैं तो टाइमर नहीं दे रहा हूँ, आप लोग डायरेक्टली कमेंट करो. टाइमर का जरूरत नहीं. इतना टाइम क्यों ले रहा है यार? The 3 dB frequency of the first order low pass filter is omega c. If the input signal is this much, okay, that is if omega equal to omega c, the output have a phase shift of, for first order low pass filter at f equal to fc. What is the phase shift? Minus 45 degrees. Generally, if you know, it's fine. Otherwise, this is the first order low pass filter. Transfer function h of s is 1 by 1 plus SCR. H of j omega 1 by 1 plus j omega RC. H of j omega equal to omega by omega c, where omega c equal to 1 by rc. This is basic. I hope you know it, right? So examiner ka question is, if the input signal is, what is the output phase shift? What is the angle of phase shift at omega equal to omega c? Here, what is the angle of h of j omega? Minus tan inverse omega by omega c. So substitute omega equal to omega c minus tan inverse square. So that is the question. He asked it at omega equal to omega c, what is the phase shift offered by the first order RC low pass filter? Got it? Chalo, let's move. Right. Let's do some question which is little tricky because बाकी questions तो similar questions करने के लिए क्यों जरूरत है? बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस प्रीवियस पेपर्स में आरएलसी सर्क्यूट्स से आ रहे, ठीक है? ये भी आसान है. Right. Let's try this question. Kindly read the question and try to solve it. बहुत क्वेश्चंस तो सेम मॉडल हुआ नहीं इसलिए चेंज किया, ठीक है? सेम क्वेश्चन सेम मॉडल सॉल्व किया तो क्या फर्क होता है, ठीक है? दे दो यार आंसर. टाइम अप. A two-terminal black box contains one of the resistors RLC element. एक black box है भाई. अब box में कोई भी एक element है RLC. Okay. The current through the source is I. Okay. ठीक है. अगर V and I एक element को connect किया तो you have connected some source of voltage V and you got a current I through some element. Okay, X. It can be inductor, resistor, capacitor. Now what happens? A capacitor of 0.1 farad, okay, is connected. So it is equal to say Z. Now V by I equal to Z or I equal to V by Z. Okay. Now for this element, we connected some capacitor of 0.1 farad. Some capacitor is connected, say Z2. Already you have Z1. Okay. So now what is the I2? Current has become double. That is V by Z2 plus Z equal to 2I. Okay. That is what you know 2 times of V by Z. Got my point? So you can understand. So this Z2 plus Z has made the impedance to reduce to half. Okay. So this should be how much? For example, you have J4, you connected minus J2. What happens? It will become plus J2. This is the concept here. If that element is something such that it will be opposing to the capacitor, so that the net impedance will be decreasing. So compulsory that element must be, what is that? Inductance. We cannot find its value and all those things until you know the frequency of operation. But you can say that element is inductance because he said it is connected in series. Okay. Suppose one minute. Inductance पे हो जाएगा. Then suppose if that element is capacitor, resistor, here also possible na? Then V by R square plus X square. It can also be equal to V by 2R. Okay, first element may be resistor. I have connected V by R square plus X square type of capacitor in series. Then firstly, initially it may be V by R. Right? When R equal to X, it can current will become half. Current double नहीं हो सकते ना. Current can reduce here, but it cannot increase. Current cannot increase here, so it cannot be resistor. It compulsory inductor ही होना चाहिए. Got my point, everybody? Right? So अगर resistor है तो overall current will reduce compared to the original case. केवल एक ही possibility है. It must be that element must be inductor. Thank you. So, okay, then we can close the session for today. Tomorrow, most probably, I may start the digital circuits here. I will update you the groups. So, these are the features of Unacademy iconic subscription for you guys with personalized guidance, online study material. All these features you will be getting. And also, we have campus placement training where we teach both technical, non-technical also, reasoning ability and your C language, everything will be teaching. Data structures, computer fundamentals, etc. This is the new initiative by Unacademy. So Unacademy has started the test series. Guys, I hope today, today is the last date. You can start taking the subscription for the date. Generally, its price will be 1499, but as an early bird offer up to 19th March, you have an offer that you can take it for 999 for 1 year instead of 2499, 1999 for 2 years. You will be getting topic wise, part syllabus, subject wise, advanced subject wise, multiple subjects, and a total syllabus tests available in this test series. And also you will be getting the what we call solutions by top educators, and you will be getting the all India level ranking also. So you can see new batch has been started today. That is Analog Electronics by Ankit Sir and Signals by Aditya Sir. Okay. So Vision batch, Target, SM, and all these batches have started. If you want, you can take the subscription on an Academy Plus using the code Shankar. And thank you very much for your time. Sorry for the slight delay today. Okay. Thank you. Bye bye.